Hello everybody, this is Brian back with a Kaspa update. Boy, look at this chart. This thing definitely looks bullish, that is for sure. So we're going to dig back into this chart here in a second, guys, and looks like we're approaching that price target that we put up here. Get all this stuff on the screen here in a second, but this thing is looking fantastic. I'm going to show you real quick. If you look down at the bottom right hand side here, I want to show you what the technicals say on this thing. For 1 week we are up 12.4%. 1 month 2,247%. Okay, that goes for the year and everything here, but I want to show you these technicals. These are on TradingView, which I use for all my charting. This is on the paid version, but you can see this is on the daily chart. Kaspa is a strong buy right now. Okay, it's a strong buy on the oscillators. It's a buy. The moving averages, it's a strong buy. This thing just looks fantastic. If you go down through here, look at all these. The 10-day moving average, the 20-day moving average, it's a buy. Everything, this coin just looks super strong right now. So that's great to see. That's what we definitely want to see in this market. Bitcoin ended up flying up, and let me show you real quick what it did last night. It's kind of strange here. It flew the whole way up. Let me get my pointer out here. This thing flew the whole way up to that 31,000 area right there and got rejected off that. It got rejected pretty hard. So it's coming back down here and finding support around that 30,000. So it has flipped that former resistance now into support. So things are looking all right with that. Let's move on here. We're going to get on to some news, and then we're going to get back to this Kaspa chart. Let's get it back here on the chart. And first off, I got to show you guys, Bitrue got hacked for $23 million worth of crypto. This just came out a couple hours ago, and kind of had me a little nervous. I have a Bitrue wallet, but everything is all right there with that as far as my end goes. I hope anybody out there that did lose anything, I hope Bitrue finds a way to get these funds back, or make this thing right. But the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade went through, and everything turned out actually fantastic with that. Ethereum's price has just been going up and up, and they were worried that this thing was going to drop because it was, if you're not familiar with what this upgrade was, it allows people to unstake their long-term Ethereum now, so they could sell it if they wanted to. But I don't think anybody wants to sell right now, not in a bear market. Right now is the time to be accumulating coins. So that didn't work out, that article that I read on that. So everything else here, we have Twitter partnered with eToro. That went live yesterday. You can buy crypto now through Twitter. Elon Musk set that all up. He said that he wants to have an all-in-one app. So, and the Dogecoin surges 5.8% as traders anticipate Elon Musk's next move. Isn't that something? Geez, that coin just, everything that man says, has a big effect on that coin. So here's your crypto bubbles for the day. You can see a lot of green out there. Not small numbers either, pretty big numbers. Injective, it's up 26.5%. Yeah, there's KAS over here, Kaspa, 8.7%. That's on the day. Here's the hourly. You can see when I just looked at this an hour ago, mostly all these were red, so a lot of these RSIs are resetting, and we're getting ready for another wave up, it looks like here. So that's good to see. Fantastic day. Been a great day. It's always exciting when crypto's going up. You hate life when it's going down. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, guys. Would love to have you here. Do a giveaway at the end of every month. Gave away 100 ADA on April 1st there. And all you have to do to enter is be a subscriber. And would love to have you here. There's also a link in the description of the video if you're interested in trading on KuCoin. you can save 20% on your trading fees by using the link through the channel. So if you go sign up there on your own, they don't give you any discount. But so, all right, let's move on here. Here's the crypto fear and greed indicator. As soon as it, I like to refresh these things so they're up to the second when I do these videos. But the market cap is up 0.79%. That doesn't seem right, does it? As green as we are today, it seems like that should be a lot higher. Volume's up 25.7% over 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is dropping. That's great. Down to 44.4%. You love to see that. Excuse me. That means the altcoins are taking more of the market cap, and means the altcoins are obviously having bigger increases than Bitcoin right now. The crypto fear and greed indicator, wow, it's up at a 68 today. Holy cow. That thing flew up pretty fast. It was at a 61 yesterday. Here's your biggest gainers and losers. There's Injective there, 26.3%. Nice gain for that. Arbitrum. That thing finally found some support. And on your right hand side is your biggest losers there, which nothing major there. Been a pretty good day for crypto overall. I think these coins on the right hand side are doing nothing but a pullback on them RSIs. I think Bitcoin's going to make another run here the way it looks. I looked at it before I did this video, and it's looking pretty good. So that's what you want to see for the rest of this market to go. Let's put our chart on here that we've been working with here. Okay, we came up to that excuse me, 3.5 cent range that I was talking about on the last video we did. I said we had resistance there. We poked our head. We literally just poked our head right above it there. Okay, we got rejected the first time. Now it looks like we're making another run at that thing. You can see that we're getting closer up to that ABC I put on here. But we're going to go through these RSIs, because if we let me show you guys something. This thing is playing out beautiful. We were talking about that 5 waves up, okay, with this thing. If we zoom out on here, let's put our Elliott waves on here. I mean, this thing is just forming beautiful. Now our third should be, and I have no idea what this is going to look like, but I'm just showing you. You can see this thing is playing out perfectly, with these waves. And that's the bigger picture. Of course, you have your smaller wave counts inside there. We had 5 waves up inside this one wave. We had that ABC. It just should actually be down here. But we had an ABC down here. And we should have sets of 5 waves up through this 3 wave here. So we're going to track this as it goes up, of course. Every video I do, we'll keep an eye on this. But the overall thing in here is a big ABC coming up here. I'm waiting for this to finish up here. That should be up around the 4 cent area. Not financial advice, folks. Who knows? The whole thing could fall apart. Nobody knows for sure what crypto is going to do. All we can do is look at the charts and put up, see what it shows us, and give it our best idea. And that's what I see forming out of this thing, and it's coming to fruition. It's looking just fine. Okay, so let's look through these RSIs and see where we're at, and see if we're getting ready for another run up here. Okay, that 4 hours getting near the top. Let's look at the 1. The 1 hour is on its way down to correct, which that's fine. That doesn't take so long to drop down. Look at this daily. Well, you talk about a nice spot for the daily RSI. That thing is looking beautiful. That's where you want it, for a nice long run. Let's look at that 8 and the 12. Nice. The 8 is on its way up. Looks beautiful. It's nice and bullish. Let's look at that 12. As soon as it loads up here, whoops, apologize. Look at that. That looks nice. Yeah. So our bigger time frames are looking absolutely beautiful. This thing is printing green. We got 3 12-hour green candles in a row, and here we go with this thing starting to make another push now as I'm making this video. So things are looking great. First of all, we need to get through that 0.0359 area. Okay, that's our first major resistance coming up. Like I said, we poked our head up above that, and the next one after that would be up at the 0.037. All right, okay, we get above them areas. Let's put a Fibonacci on this thing and see where we're at as far as that goes. These Fibonacci's are, every trader uses these things. They're super, super important, okay? Right now we are up right around that 618, okay? For higher prices, the 618 and the 702 are very familiar areas. You look at that, how it hit it just perfectly right there, that 702. These are areas that you want to get through, and that 786 obviously to look for higher prices. Once we bust above that 0.0386, okay, then we're looking for much higher prices out of this thing, okay? But as it goes right now, this thing is obviously in an uptrend. We had a higher high, a higher low. This is on the 12-hour. We want to get a higher high out of this, so 0.0373 would give us a higher high on the 12-hour chart, and then a higher low than 0.0319. Okay, so this thing looks fantastic. I'm sure this weekend is going to be super exciting. So I'll be back with you guys as soon as we get some more price action. I hope you have a beautiful Friday out there. It is gorgeous where I'm at right now in the eastern United States. Super hot for spring. It's 85 out there today, which is crazy. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please hit that subscribe button and that like button, and I will be back with you guys very, very soon. So have a fantastic day.